Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be reviewing a product that I recently bought from eBay, but before I go there I wanted to show you this is actually Microsoft Surface Pro 5. So I bought it second hand, so I didn't have a charger, so I bought this from Amazon today and it's working fine. So this is the charger actually. I hope you can see here. So this is the charger that goes with Microsoft Surface Pro 5, and I bought this for $17 and it's okay. I mean, when I connect this on the Surface Pro, the lights here, there's a light on this side. uh, it's hard to see, but there's a light that will blink white and it will stay white, so you won't be able to know when it's fully charged unless you go and check to your device. So here is the one that I got, the full package I got from eBay. I paid $170 for this, and this one actually comes with this beautiful case, as you can see here. So it's a nice case, so I like it. And let me zoom out a little bit. Yeah, so this is a very nice case here, as you can see. And then there's a pocket on this side also, so I can keep my charger here, so that's fine. And then he also gave me a second one, so you can see here. Let me try to zoom out a little bit. Yeah, so this is the second case that he gave me. And by the way, I bought this pen separately from Facebook Marketplace for $20. This is the original, so it's nice. And this one comes with a keyboard. So this is the keyboard. As you can see, it's really nice. I mean, the keyboard is a keyboard. So this is the connector for the keyboard. I hope you can see. So it's good condition. But the tablet, as you can see here, there is some problem with the tablet. I hope you can see this side. See, there's a crack. So I'm going to show you what is the current condition of this tablet. So here it is. See, so there is a damage on this side. So I think it fall like face first on the floor. So other than this, there is no other issue on this. So all the other places are okay. Now on this side you have the keyboard connector, and then on this side you have nothing basically. You have the audio 3.5 audio jack here, and then on this side you have the power button here. Okay, and the volume up and down. And this side you have your charging port, which is this one, a USB connector, and there's another connector here that's for the, I think, I'm not sure actually, anyway. And then you have this thing, so it flips all the way. I don't know how far it goes, so it should be up to this, so you can keep this on a stand like this. I think it goes like all the way up like this. So yeah, that's for holding it. So now I'm going to power it on. So this is the power button, and there you go. So this is the Surface Pro 5 that I have. And today I actually opened it up, and it was working really nice. So you can see it's very smooth, very fast, and the touch functions are working. Everything is working. So configuration. Let me see. Uh, Let me see the configuration here. So as you can see here, it's an Intel Core i5-7300U CPU, 2.60 GHz. It has a 8 GB RAM and a 64 GB Windows 10 operating system, which is all the way updated. As you can see here, Windows 10 Pro, and that's it basically. So this pen is also working, this one. So all you have to do is press, and then you can use the pen actually. So let me see. Okay, so there's a button, as you can see here. Anyway, so I'm not sure about the pen. So yeah, so something is wrong with the pen, I think. Anyway, maybe let me see with the paint app, if I have any paint app. Yeah, so this one was working, so I don't know what happened. Let me see. I think it's the issue with the battery, I think. Yeah, because there's a battery here. Yeah, I think it's the battery that is damaged. So probably I need a new battery. I don't have it right now. So yeah, maybe it's a battery that is dead, because it was sitting down for some time actually. So that could be the reason. Okay, this one is plus, and then it goes like this, and then yep. So let me see if it is working now. So anyway, the hand is working fine, as you can see. So I think I have to replace the battery here. So that's it for the tablet. It's really nice when it comes to the the touch screen, and then you have the keyboard. So when you touch the keyboard, it should work as it should. So as you can see now, the keyboard is working, no problem. So I can go and do everything that it's supposed to be working with the keyboard. And let me see. Yes, yeah, so it's working. So everything is working, the keyboard, the mouse, everything is fine. And now I just want to show you some of the graphics for the gaming. Let me see. Uh, I have this game and I think it should work. And Surface Pro 5 is around $500 right now. So for 170, I don't think that's a bad deal for me. Everything is fine except this side. I had to buy the this one, so I'm going to replace the battery tomorrow. And beside that, I don't think I have the battery actually, so that's why I won't be able to show you. And yeah, I mean it's nice if you do a lot of graphics stuff where you need to draw, then this is really a handy device for you, because you can do lots of drawing. And I'm sure you will be able to buy this on eBay cheaper like me. and then you buy a pen. Just make sure you buy the original one. So this one, I don't see any sign that says Microsoft, so I don't know if it is original, but it worked a lot. So it's asking me for age. So for gaming, you can do a lot of good gamings, but not the latest games for sure. But at least you can see the graphics here is not bad, right? So as you can see. The keyboard is working, so and you have the nitro as well. So it's just one lap, so let me just finish it. But nobody is here except me, so. So that's it, I'm almost done, I think. The touch also working and also the keyboard. So there you go with the gaming, and let me exit out. What else I have? That's it. So basically I'm just wanted to show you that the speed is awesome with this one. I'm really impressed the speed of this. I don't have bunch of app running right now, so maybe that is one of the reason. But overall, the things here, it's really nice. You have the whiteboard installing, and then you have full screen snap. Yes, so you can take the snapshot, and then you can do, I think, kind of, drawing. It's a ruler. Okay, so yeah, it's helpful because if you are trying to take some notes or anything, this is helpful. And then the white screen board, it's saying that it's installing. So I don't know how long will. So it's almost done. So you have the white screen board, and so basically it's for drawing and taking notes in class. So yeah, so if you want to take class or anything, you can do it actually. So you can pick up any paint you like, and then you can just take. And for example, if you want to write something, say I want to write something, so let's write something. So you see, with hand it's possible to write, and if you want to take notes, so if you want to write something smaller, that's also I think possible. You just have to be patient. This is nice tablet. So yeah, and I'm going to just show you at the end the the load time. So if you I just shut it down and then just see how fast this comes back to the Windows again. And when you stand off, when you press the power button, it's usually takes a single few minutes to turn it back on. So that's one easy point, something that might help you, making buying decision, because it's fast. So if you are a busy person who needs something that will turn on like a flash, this is definitely, as you can see, it's almost it's open now. So here you go, it's on. And then the shutdown, it's also fast. So overall, I'm really happy with this. So I'm going to send this to my brother back in my home, because I'm not going to be used this. So I'll be shipping this outside United States tomorrow, and I hope my brother will enjoy this when he gets it. So you basically put it, you have to take the keyboard out first, and then you put it, slide it in like this, and then you close the slide, and then you connect the keyboard, and then you slide it back. And there is a pen holder here, so you can put your pen here. So yeah, that's it. Oh, and this one you can also do. This case actually good, because you don't have to, you can put it like this or like this, wherever you want. So this case is good. And then I am also lucky because I have a separate case here. This is the second one, so I don't know how I'm going to ship this. I'll be using USPS, so I don't know whether I need to put some kind of a bubble paper onto this. I'm not sure. So it will take around 10 days to go. Okay, so there you go. And I'll be putting a charger here. So yeah, Microsoft Surface Pro is a nice device. I think it will be tough if I put this. Let's see. I might even break it, right? Yeah, I think I'll be putting too much pressure on this, so I'll just keep it separate. And thank you for watching this video, and I will come back with more videos. And I just wanted to share with you, because I'm shipping this tomorrow, that yes, you can buy cheap things on eBay if you look for it. $160 for this Surface Pro 5 with keyboard. It's a very good deal. So look for it yourself, and thank you very much for watching my video, and do subscribe for more video like this. Thank you.